Hi, my name is Rachel Zavertnik, and I am the I Resonate Joy therapist. Today, I'm going to teach you a little bit about tapping. There are 4 components. The basic recipe is the karate chop, which is right here. So you're going to do a little bit of tapping to start. And the whole idea is to reduce the emotional state, whatever it is. Usually it's anxiety or some trigger. And so, for example, if today the anxiety is a little high, you might want to try some tapping. And the setup statement would be, even though I have this anxiety, I clearly and completely accept myself. Now, you can fill in the blank for anything else if you feel like there was a negative emotion that you'd rather replace that with. Even though I feel nervous, I completely accept myself. You might use that. So let's begin. I'm going to start here. Even though I feel anxious, I completely accept myself. Top of the head. Even though this anxiety is overwhelming, I completely accept myself. I feel this anxiety in my gut, and yet I completely accept myself. Side of the eye. This anxiety, although I see it and feel it in my body, I completely love and accept myself. Under the eye. This anxiety, I can feel overwhelming at times, and yet I completely accept myself. Under the nose. This anxiety can feel so uncomfortable, and yet I completely accept myself. I see this anxiety. I feel the anxiety. I feel it in my chest as if I'm out of breath. Bra strap. This anxiety, it can feel so overwhelming. This anxiety, it takes me by surprise. And yet, I completely accept myself. One more round. I see the anxiety, I feel the anxiety, and I completely accept myself. I see the anxiety, I feel the anxiety, and then I completely accept myself. I see the anxiety, I feel the anxiety, I completely accept myself. This anxiety, it's so tough. I choose to accept myself. This entire anxiety, although overwhelming, I accept myself. What's the event? Anxiety. I feel anxiety, and yet I completely accept myself. I feel it in my gut, anxiety, and I completely accept myself. I feel it in my gut, the anxiety, and I completely accept myself. I'm going to do one more round. This anxiety, I don't like it. I can handle it. I can handle it. I got this. I can accept and feel it leave my body. This anxiety, I don't like it. And yet I choose to accept myself. This anxiety, I see it, I feel it, I hear you. I accept myself. This anxiety, although overwhelming at times, I choose to accept myself. I choose to accept myself. I accept myself. I accept myself. I love accept myself despite anxiety. I love and accept myself despite the anxiety. And now you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose at the count of 4, hold it at the top at the count of 4, and blow it out with the count of 6. Ready? Begin. And now come back to the room. Hopefully you were able to reduce the anxiety. And next time, I'll see you next time. Take care.